The focal point of the flooding disaster in Texas has been that Christian summer camp for girls on the banks of the Guadalupe River. The nearly century-old site washed away in the early morning hours of the 4th of July, and all in a matter of minutes with apparently little warning. CBS Evening News co-anchor Maurice Dubois goes inside what's left of Camp Mystic.
My goodness.
We made our way to Camp Mystic along the Guadalupe River in Hunt, Texas, an all-girls Christian summer camp that was destroyed.
It's like a needle in a haystack situation.
Inside the camp, we met Fletcher Cordell as he searched for what was left of his 11-year-old daughter's belongings. Olivia was rescued by helicopter as the deadly river rose 26 feet in less than an hour.
I'm just trying to do what I can for my daughter. And right now what that means is getting as much of her stuff as I can.
27 campers and counselors were killed in the flash flooding, including 18-year-old Chloe Childress, a counselor who had just graduated from high school, and the camp's owner, Dick Eastland. This video shows playful moments at the camp just days before it was destroyed. Since Friday, hundreds of search and rescue operations have been launched around the clock, leading to 850 water rescues. Dozens more rescued by helicopter from tree branches and rooftops. We flew over the flood zone on a Coast Guard plane equipped with thermal technology that can pick up body heat in the dense woods below.
From the cockpit, you get a totally different view. You get the perspective of the pilots as they search the rivers, the campsite, anywhere, any sign. They're looking for survivors.
But on this mission, they came up empty. Lieutenant Jordan Hobson is with the Coast Guard.
We want to do everything that we can in our ability to help find any survivors that are still out there. So we're going to put forward our best effort.
Across the road from Camp Mystic, 30 family members of 67-year-old Alicia Olvera are looking for her everywhere. Olvera's husband was found dead, and she's been missing since Friday.
Where does she live?
She lived right there in the house.
Juvia Torres is her daughter.
If people are watching this, what do you want them to know? What do you want to tell them?
We need help. That's all I can say. We need help searching. We need to find her.
Maurice Dubois, CBS News.